I am going to be tasting some Willie's Cacao bars today, which is quite exciting. So they're dark chocolate, and we have two. We have Samburano Gold. Samburino? Sounds quite fun. Madagascan dark chocolate, 71%. And we have Rio Caribe, which is quite exciting as well. So that is Venezuelan dark chocolate. Interestingly, it's come with this flavour map. So I should be able to tell what I'm tasting. And who knew there were so many different versions. Okay, so I'm going to start with the Samburano Gold, which is Madagascan dark chocolate. It comes in just a massive bar, so I'm going to just kind of break it and hope for the best. Newsflash, it's quite hard. It's quite thick as well, look at that. Bet my mum would like this. Okay, so what am I looking for? So this one should be citrusy and summer peach and apricot and tropical passion fruit and pineapple, all in a chocolate. For such a dark chocolate, 71%, it's actually it is quite fruity. And it's not really bitter. You know that like really dark chocolate, sometimes it tastes really bitter and you kind of get an aftertaste. No, that's really nice. It's kind of lighter than I was expecting. And you do get an aftertaste of fruit, which is, oh, it's really nice. So Samburano Gold, Madagascan dark chocolate, thumbs up from me. Okay, so let's move on to the hard stuff. So this is the Rio Caribe Gold. This is from Venezuela. So, and this one's 72%, so should be that bit darker. I do have a knife, but I think that's going to be a disaster, so I'm not going to do that. Ooh, goodness. Okay, again, nice and thick. Like the look of this. This one is noticeably, you won't be able to pick this up on camera, but it is darker than the original Samburano, so that would be nice. So what am I getting here? So this one should be sort of more nutty and roasted. So it should be hazelnuts, macadamia, oh I love macadamias, caramel and more intense coffee. Always a good thing. Yeah, that is definitely closer to what I would expect from a dark chocolate. You can taste the nuts. Interestingly, the nuts come through more after you finish the chocolate rather than when it's actually in your mouth. Oh yeah, that would be nice with coffee actually. I don't have any coffee, this is bad. Okay, well in conclusion, I would say these are both absolutely delicious. If you're a fan of dark chocolate anyway, I'd say the Rio Caribe is going to be right up your alley. And if you're new to the world of dark chocolate, go for the Samburano. I think that's really nice. Yeah, all in all, very good. So, Willie's Cacao, thumbs up from me.